Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Pinterest. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in pinterest.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pinterest website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your credentials or your social accounts. Once you have been logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to delete your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. You will now be taken into the settings page, from which, if you wish to delete it, click on Account Management and then scroll down and you will find the Deactivation and Deletion option. If you wish to simply deactivate your account in order to use it in the future when you feel like it, then you can click on Deactivate Account. Otherwise, if you wish to delete it, click on the Delete Account button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to delete your account. You can click on the Continue button, which will send you an email to your email address that you have used while signing up. So click on Continue and check your inbox and you will find a link within your inbox which you will need to click on to verify that you wish to delete your account. After clicking on this link, you will be logged out from your Pinterest account, and after logging out, your account will be scheduled for deletion. If you don't log back in for another 2 weeks, your account will be deleted permanently. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Pinterest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.